Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lazel. Where
Good
did you go,
morning,
Lazel?
ma'am.
You were just here. Hi, Milan. Hi,
Good
Alfatim.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aishin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
Sidra.
morning,
I'm ready for the presentation.
ma'am.
Yes.
Wait. Good morning, ma'am. Were you all here like in 780, 758?
58. You were 2 minutes before. That's nice. I was in the meeting. Teachers' meeting is there before this.
Oh. I looked at it before you joined. I started. Ma'am, can you show my animal presentation?
Sounds good?
No, Milan, I was supposed to do it.
Wait
Milan,
1 second. Sidra and Aishin, can
Wait,
you
I
join the
asked
camera?
ma'am, can I do too? So she told us. 1 minute, I will turn on my camera.
oh my
No,
god.
let's do one thing. We have 10 minutes, right? Alfatim can show
Don't
first.
worry, I can delete it.
Second, Milan can show.
Should I delete it all?
Don't delete. Sidra, can I have a moment with you? I'll create a breakout room for us. Sounds good?
Okay.
Till then, Alfatim, can you show
Just
the
sure.
presentation and questions? Let's see who answers the
Milan,
most.
stop presenting. Milan.
Yeah. So, good morning.
Okay, everyone. I'm just opening a breakout room for me and Sidra.
Wait. Okay, you guys can revise. The highland cattle have very long thick hair to help them cope with the winters. White storks like to nest on top of tall buildings. The cree goat can climb up almost vertical cliff faces.
Hi, dear. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Did you have your breakfast?
No, I just woke up right now.
You just woke up?
Yeah.
I woke up at 4:30 in the morning.
Actually, yesterday night I was doing a project, that's why.
So you slept late.
Yeah.
That's okay, no issues. Actually, I called you here. I heard you are having some issues with our Google Calendar, right?
Yeah.
Can you share your entire screen? I'll help you out.
No, the entire screen is not coming.
Just share, I'll tell you what to do. Share another tab, share another tab. Sounds good? Take another tab, go to Google,
Okay.
go back.
Wait, I will just share Google.
Yes. Like I'll show you. Let's see what you have shared first. Can you see the 9 dots? Click on the 9 dots on the right top. Yes. Okay. There you'll see calendar. Can you see the calendar on the third row? Yes. Good job. Open that. Double click. You have to double click there.
I'm trying to press it, it's not coming.
Why it's not coming?
I don't know. Oh, it's loading.
See, it's here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now, let's see. Today is 8th, right? See,
Yeah.
8th, first you have assembly, then
Hmm?
10 you have math, then go down. What is the third subject?
Second language.
At 9:30. Then you have
Science.
science. So total 3 hours you have today, right?
Yeah.
Then tomorrow, let's see tomorrow, 9th. What's the first subject?
Math,
Second?
English,
Third?
club,
Fourth?
club,
Fourth.
science.
Okay. Now can you try taking it again? Can you try to take? Did you understand how to read? Timetable
Yeah.
how to? Now can you close it and try to open it again so that we can see just if you can do it by yourself. Or you can go to your classroom. Actually, go to your classroom. There also it is possible. Can you share your screen so that I can also see what you're doing?
Okay. What should I share?
Classroom, Google Classroom. Yes, can you see the 9 dots?
Yeah.
What are we supposed to do next? Yes, good job. I think it will take some time. A bit
No, it came actually. I was only doing it that because I cannot stare my entire screen.
So you understood how to open it, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow onwards, will you be able to do it?
Yeah.
That's perfect. See, now we'll go to our 9 dot. You got the calendar, right?
Yeah. I got 2 calendars.
Okay, you got 2 calendars. So it's fine, right?
It's
If
fine.
you have any difficulty, see, I'm here. I'm the class teacher. Aisha
Okay.
ma'am, she's pregnant, right?
Yeah.
So she took a leave, a break.
Yeah, I know.
So on behalf of her, I'm here. If you need anything, like you're stuck at anything, just let me know. Sounds good?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's join our friends.
Okay. Yeah.
Let me close the room.
No, he didn't give me access to it. Ha! Should I give you access to it? No, don't you. I'll only press the view. Only view. Okay, fine.
Only let's view. Or
What
she
are
could
we doing here? What is
grab everything and delete
Oh,
it.
looks so cool. Yeah, you're right. It's so cool.
Guys, people.
Ma'am, but that is in my Canva. I'm just looking. I'm not good.
Jawan.
Yeah. Alfati, can you give me access to your Canva? I just want to see that one. Okay. I promise I won't try anything. Trust me. Ma'am, can you open the chat box?
But you have to tell me first what you're doing. Then only I'll open the chat box.
Canva. Alfati is doing a presentation about animals.
So why do you need Canva for that? He's sharing, right?
No, I already showed them.
Okay, I have opened it. Where is Ishan? Ishan is not here today.
I think he'll come after some time.
That is not fair. Ihan is also not here. Who else is not here?
Ma'am, I miss partners, so how I'll be the monitor, like just helper.
Maria, tell me who else is not here?
Million, do you know how to?
Aishin, Amila, you have to turn on your
I
camera.
now got a monitor. Hiya. What's missing? Okay, let's see. Highland cattle have very long, thick hair to help them cope with the winter.
Alfadib, Johan.
Oh, wait.
Haya is not here. What happened to Haya?
What is this? I don't know. White stalks.
Milan,
Yes.
you are the helper of the leader, right?
Yes.
Your classmates are not here. You are responsible to see that.
Oh,
That is the duty of a leader.
how? Okay. Oh, Alfati looks so cool.
Million, do you know how to?
Okay, I have to go, Alfati. Bye.
Where are you?
Bye. Not out of the Canva.
Okay. People tell me who's presenting tomorrow.
Which one? The animal?
It's of course me again.
Sports, TV, any topic you like. Laser?
Me.
I have access to anything I can do in Canva, like activity.
Simran, you're doing tomorrow.
How am I getting guys? I have
These
access
are
yesterday in science class.
Spare.
Guys, wait, end of the science class, right? Yesterday.
They're already
Alpha,
spare.
We're going to play Kahoot, right? She did not.
Please.
We're gonna ask her.
Who's talking,
Kahoot.
Milan?
Yeah. Okay.
Amina ma'am is here. So, bye people. Say good morning to ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning.
Simran, you're doing tomorrow.
Ma'am. It's one.